Hi everyone, so for this video I'm going to show you how to self-clean the Samsung washing machine front load. And what I do have here is a fresh washing machine cleaner. I bought this one in Superstore for $8. So this is how you do it. Open it and see this one. In a pack, there's a 3 tablets. Here's the 1 tablet. Here it is. So this one, it's easy how to do it. Just put it inside, then close the lid, then let's put it in the self clean. It's roughly 4 hours. Then that's it. There you go. If you have any questions, just send me your questions in the comments, and then make sure that you read the manual first before you start doing anything, because every washing machine is different. That's it. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.